Welcome to Math with Miss Stacy. In this video, we're going to learn how to convert decimals to percents. Move the decimal 2 places to the right and add the percent sign. For example, 1 pizza equals 100% of the pizza. The number 1 equals 100%. So for 1.2, we have the number 1.2. We're going to move the decimal 2 places to the right. If there's not a number there, you add a 0 and then add the percent sign. So 1.2 equals 120%. Next, below it, we have the number 4. Well, every whole number has an invisible decimal right after that whole number. We're going to move that decimal 2 places to the right. If there are no numbers there, we must add zeros. And then we add the percent sign. So 4 equals 400%. 0.75. We're going to move the decimal 2 places to the right and add the percent sign. So this will be 75%. 0.0375. We're going to move the decimal 2 places to the right and put it right after the 3. So we'll have 3.75%. Okay, it's time for our affirmations. Say them with me. I can learn math. I can learn anything. Have a great day.